The rain is just starting right now. I heard some thunder. I don't know how much time I have. I'm gonna try to catch a bluefish. Thunder's far away right now, but looks like the storm is not so much. Okay, that was fucking lightning. Maybe I should fuck off. Oh, I just got blown up though. I don't know if I could do that. Come on, come on. Eat it again. That was far away. That was, if I still haven't heard thunder, that was far away. There's a thunder. All right, this gets a couple more casts and then I'm peacing out. Yeah, all right, that. All right, we're on the beach. We're on the beach. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. If I don't see any more danger, I'm going back out because the bastards are out there. And it's very hard for a fisherman to leave fish. I don't know about you folks, but I haven't seen lightning or heard thunder in about 7 good minutes, so I'm gonna give it another try here. I don't think it's supposed to thunder anymore. I think it's just a rain thing now, which I'm already soaked, so that's not gonna be a deterrent. Oh, fish, fish. Come on. Yep. What a freaking eat. Whoa. A little worried I'm gonna get bit off here because I did not see my lure when he jumped, which implies that it's, oh, there it is. Thought he had it in his gut. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. He won't stop. Alright, let's see if we can spin him around one more time. Oh, one hook just came out. That's a nice one. He fought a little bigger, a little harder for what I was expecting, but that's a nice fish. We will take that because we've been dealing with trials and tribulations here today. Now all he needs is to send that treble hook into my hand and we can call it a day. There he is. Big blue fish in the storm. Let's put him back. All right, let's get another one.